Welcome to Midnight's Edge After Dark, your home for spin-free news and analysis of movies, reviews, behind-the-scenes politics, interviews, roundtables, and more. Midnight's Edge After Dark is the sister channel of Midnight's Edge and is devoted to the fans and future filmmakers. We strive to bring you the most in-depth news and analysis of your favorite current genre movies and upcoming releases, while looking back on past history where things went wrong and where things went right, and hope that the mistakes of the past help us all learn going forward. Established as a channel devoted to television and film, Midnight's Edge After Dark continues to explore the worlds across different media and bring it all to you in one place. Along with our main channel, Midnight's Edge, we strive to bring you every angle and search for the true story behind Hollywood's corporate politics. So hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be alerted when Midnight's Edge After Dark uploads new content. And look for us on Patreon, and follow the link to Patreon, our main channel, for more extensive film coverage, live programming, reviews, and other fun content.